Let's read more words. Words with OW. OW says ow, ow, ow. Down, down, down. Town, town, town. Clown, clown, clown. Brown, brown, brown. Crow, crow, crow. How, how, how. Now, now, now. Cow, cow, cow. Wow, wow, wow. Bow, bow, bow.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCantutorial Services.